Today we will discuss Lamont Boiler. Lamont Boiler is a type of forced circulation high pressure water tube boiler. Walter Douglas Lamont introduced the concept of this forced circulation boiler in the year 1925, and Lamont was a Navy lieutenant commander and an engineer in the US Marine as well as a patriot. And now, what is the principle of Lamont boiler? The circulation of water and steam mixture takes with the help of an external pump which supplies water at higher pressure than in a natural circulation boiler. Now we will discuss the main components of the Lamont boiler, and this is the combustion chamber. Generally the furnace in Lamont boiler is vertical and the main function of furnace is to burn the fuel, and this is the feed pump that is used to supply the water to the economizer, and economizer used to preheat the water by using remaining heat of the combustion gases, and generally economizer increase the boiler efficiency. And this is the steam separating drum. From economizer water is coming to the steam separating drum, and after here is the mixture of steam and water is goes out to the circulating pump, and it is a centrifugal pump. Generally water is circulated with the help of centrifugal pump, and forced convection is generated, and this centrifugal pump is used to circulate water inside the boiler, and this pump is driven by steam turbine, and steam for the turbine is taken by the boiler. And this is the distributing header. With the help of distributing header, water is supplied to the evaporator tubes or water tubes, and these evaporator tubes these are connected with the steam separating drum. And this is the superheater that is generally used to convert the saturated steam into superheated steam. Otherwise, with saturated steam that cause the corrosion, so that's why these are converted into superheated. So this is the a blower that is connected with air preheater, and the main function of air preheater to preheat the air before entering into the furnace, and from air preheater this is goes to the combustion chamber. And here we can see the direction of the water that is coming out from the feed pump to the economizer, and from economizer it goes to the steam separating drum, and from steam separating drum the saturated steam goes toward the superheater, and water is coming towards the centrifugal pump, and from centrifugal pump this is supplied to the evaporator tubes, and from evaporator tubes this is goes toward steam separating drum. And these are the exhaust gases. And now we discuss the working of the Lamont boiler. Lamont boiler, as we know, it is a forced circulation and internally fired water tube boiler. The fuel is burned inside the boiler and water is circulating with the help of centrifugal pump. So here feed pump forces the water. Here feed pump forces the water into the economizer, which can be seen with the help of blue arrows. The temperature of water increases and this water forced into the evaporator tube. So here we can see feed pump supplies the water to the economizer, and from economizer it goes into the steam separating drum, and from in steam separating drum here is the mixture of steam and water, and from here water is transferred to the centrifugal pump, and from this centrifugal pump with the help of distributing head here is the water, and we can say it is a combustion chamber. So here is the mixture of water plus steam is here, and goes toward the steam separating drum. So this mixture, this is the mixture of water and steam, and this mixture sent to the steam separator drum that is outside the boiler, and steam from this sends to the superheater. So here we can say steam from this that is sent to the superheater, where saturated steam is converted into superheated steam and then it sends to the prime mover. And again water sends to the economizer, where it again passes by evaporator tubes. And here this is the cold air when it enters to with the help of blower to the air preheater. Then it is again heated and flue gases first heat the evaporator tubes. Here is the flue gases in the furnace, they heat the evaporator tubes. Then these are used with the help of economizer to heat the water, and then these flue gases are used to heat the cold air. So cold air that starts to enter, and from here with the help of blower, this cold air that is heated with the help of the flue gases, and that goes to the combustion chamber, and finally it goes to the atmosphere exhaust gases. So these gases from superheater again use to preheat the air into air preheater and before exhaust into the atmosphere. And the working pressure of this boiler is above 170 bar and have the steam generation capacity of about 50,000 kg per hour at a temperature 773 Kelvin. So today we learned about the components of Lamont boiler and working of the Lamont boiler. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video and updates on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may like, share and comment. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask by commenting. Thank you. Have a nice day.